So this is our next question. So sin 30 degree value is 1 by 2 plus tan 45 degree value is 1 minus. Now we have to find cosec 60 degree. So cosec is the reciprocal of sine. Sin 60 degree value is root 3 by 2. So cosec 60 degree will be the reciprocal, means 2 by root 3. So instead of cosec 60 degree, what we have to write? 2 divided by root 3 divided by, here you see sec 30 degree. So sec is the reciprocal of cos. Cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. So sec 30 degree is the reciprocal, means 2 by root 3. So sec 30 degree will be 2 divided by root 3 plus cos 60 degree value is 1 by 2, right, plus cot 45 degree. Cot 45 degree is the reciprocal of tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree is 1. So cot 45 degree is reciprocal of tan, means 1. So instead of cot 45 degree, here we will write 1 over. Next. Now what it will happen now, you see here, first we will do sum here. Here nothing is there, means 1. So 2 into 1 LCM will be 2, right? 2 went, here 1 is there, plus 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 1, 2, okay, minus 2 by root 3, okay, divided by, here what is there, you see, 2 by root 3 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1. So 2 by root 3 plus, here you see 2 into 1 LCM will become 2 here. So 2 into 1 2, 1 into 1 1 plus 1 into 2 2, 2 into 1 2. Okay. Next, here you see 2 plus 1 3 divided by 2 minus 2 by root 3 divided by 2 by root 3 plus 1 plus 2 3 divided by 2. Okay. So now what it will become? 3 root 3. Here you see LCM will become 2 root 3. In up 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by, here same 2 root 3 is the LCM. In upside 4 plus 3 root 3. Okay. So 2 root 3 and 2 root 3 will cancel each other. Now what it became? 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by 3 root 3 plus 4. It came. Now how we will solve this one? So erasing this part, you see our answer is now 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by 3 root 3 plus 4. Again we have to simplify. Next, what it will become, you see, here you see, I have said in previous class that if like this solution will come, then you have to see the numerator part. You see 3 root 3 minus 4 is there. So you have to multiply and you have to divide the numerator. So what? 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by 3 root 3 plus 4. 3 root 3 plus 4 into, here you see minus is there, you have to multiply with minus. 3 root 3 minus 4, again you have to divide the same. 3 root 3 minus 4. Okay. Now next you can come here. So what it will become? You see, this is the A, let it be A, let it be B. This is A, this is B. A minus B into A minus B is A minus B whole square. So it will become 3 root 3 minus 4 whole square divided by, this is A this is B, and this is A, this is B, right? So A plus B into A minus B. The formula is A square minus B square. A means 3 root 3 square minus B square means 4 is B. So 4 square equals to, so here you see A minus B whole square. Formula is A square plus B. B is 4. B square minus 2 into A is 3 root 3 into B is 4. A square plus B square minus 2AB, okay, divided by 3 root 3 square. You see here 3 square is 9 and root 3 square is 3. So 9 into 3, here you see 3 square is 9 into root 3 square is 3. So 9 into 3, it will become 27 minus 4 square is 16, okay. So now it will become, you see 3 square 9, root 3 square 3, 9 into 3, 27 plus 4 square is 16 minus 2 into 3 6, 6 into 4 24, again root 3 is there, 24 root 3 divided by 27 minus 16 is 11, okay. So what it will become, you see 7 6 13 43, 43 minus 24 root 3 divided by 11. So this is our solution, okay. So let's move to next question. So this is our next question. You see now solution. So first we have to see the values. So here what is there? 5. So we will write 5. Next we will go to angle cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree value is how much? 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Okay. Here square is there. So 1 by 2 square. Next plus. Here 4 is there. 4 into sec 30. Sec 30 value is equal to, here you see, cos 30 value is root 3 divided by 2. So sec 30 is the reciprocal of cos 30 means 2 divided by root 3. So here it's given sec 30 2 by root 3. Here you see square is given. So here we will put square. Next what it's given? Minus tan 45 degree value is 1 square. So square divided by, here you see same sec 30 degree. Sec 30 value we have found out 2 by root 3. 2 divided by root 3 square plus cos 30. Cos 30 value is root 3 by 2. Root 3 divided by 2. Here square is there. So square equals to, here you find 5. 5 into 1 square is 1 divided by 2 square is 4 plus 4 into 2 square is 4 divided by root 3 square is 3 minus 1 square is 1 divided by 2 square is 4 divided by root 3 square is 3 plus root 3 square is 3 divided by 2 square is 4. Okay. So next equals to 5 into 1 5 by 4, 5 divided by 4 plus 4 into 4 16, 16 divided by 3 minus 1, nothing is there means 1 divided by, here you see 3 and 4 LCM will become 12. Okay. So 3 into 4 12, 4 into 4 16 plus 4 into 3 is 12, 3 into 3 is 9. So here you see 4, 3, 1. So LCM is 4 into 3, 12. Right? So 4 into 3, 12. 3 into 5, 15 plus 3 into 4, 12. 4 into 16, 64 minus 1 into 12, 12. 12 into 1, 12 divided by, here you see 16 plus 9 is 25 divided by 12. Okay. So here 12 and 12 will cancel each other. Here we will find. So 15 plus 64 is 5 plus 4, 9, 6 plus 1, 7. 79 minus 12 divided by 25. So it will become 9 minus 2, 7, 6. 67 divided by 25. So our solution is 67 divided by 25. So like this we can find. Let's move to next question. So this is our next question. 2 tan 30 degree divided by 1 plus tan square 30 degree. Very simple question. So what will be the solution? You see here 2 into tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree value we already know from trigonometry table. It is 1 by root 3 divided by 1 plus, here tan 30 is same, 1 by root 3, but here square is there, so square. So 2 into 1, 2 divided by root 3 divided by 1 plus, here you see 1 square is 1 divided by root 3 square is 3. Okay. Next, here what is there? 2 divided by root 3 divided by, nothing is there means 1. So LCM 1 into 3 is 3. So 1 into 3, 3, 3 into 1, 3 plus 3 went, so 1. Then it will become 2 divided by root 3 divided 3 plus 1 is 4 divided by 3. So 2 by root 3, it will go up. So what it will become? 3 divided by 4. So here 2 into 2, 4. So what it became? 3 divided by 2 root 3. Right? So here you see, here 3 is there, here root 3 is there. So we can simplify easily. So instead of 3 we will write root 3 into root 3 divided by 2 root 3. 2 into root 3. 1 will cancel each other. So answer will be root 3 divided by 2. Okay. This is our solution. So let's move to next question. So this is our next question. You see, this is a typical question. It's given if tan a plus b equals to root 3 and tan a minus b equals to 1 by root 3, we have to find out a and b. So how we can find? So those are normal questions. Based upon the values you can simplify those questions. But let's see how we will find this question. You see here what is given. First you write what is given. It's given tan a plus b equals to root 3. Here tan a minus b equal to 1 minus root 3. So first we wrote what is given in the question. Now we will see how we will simplify it. So here you see tan a plus b equal to root 3. First we have to write tan a plus b equals to, here you see root 3 is given. Means root 3 is a part of this tan. Means it's a value of tan. So we know from the trigonometry table now that root 3 value in tan, which is tan 60 degree is root 3. So here instead of root 3 we will write tan 60 degree because tan 60 degree value is root 3. Same tan a minus b equals to, here it's given 1 by root 3. So in trigonometry table you can find in tan that tan 30 degree value is 1 by root 3. So instead of 1 by root 3 here we will write tan 30 degree because tan 30 degree value is 1 by root 3. Now you see tan, they will cancel each other. So here it will become, therefore A plus B equals to 60 degree. Here they will cancel, but its angle we will not see that. Then A minus B equals to 30 degree. So here you see plus B minus B, they will cancel. So here plus will happen. A plus A, 2A equals to 60 degree plus 30 degree, 90 degree, right? That implies we have to find A. A equals to 90 degree divided by 2 equals to 45 degree, to 45, 90. Therefore A equals to 45 degree, right? Now find A and B. So we have found out the value of A. Now let's move to B. So here from any equation you can find B. So this is equation 1, this is 2. So here put the value of A in equation 1. Then we get, okay, so here you see A plus B equal to 60. A value is 45 degree. So 45 degree plus B equals to 60 degree, right? So that implies we have to find B. B equals to 60 degree plus 45 will go that side, means minus 45 equals to 15 degree. Okay, 60 minus 45 is 15 degree. Therefore B equals to 15 degree. Okay, so we found out the values of A and B. Now let's check it is right or not. You take one equation, you can say A plus B equal to 60 degree. How you will check? You see A value is 45 degree. So instead of A we will write 45 degree. Plus instead of B we will write 15 degree. So happened 45 plus 15 degree is 60 degree. So proved. Okay, like this we have to simplify. So let's move to next question. So this is another type of question. You see here it's given sine 18 degree divided cos 72 degree. How we will simplify? So here you see, here sine is there, cos is there, no problem, but here you can see it's 18 degree and here it's given 72 degree. So if like this questions will come, first you have to try to what? You have to see how we can do same degrees. So how we can do, you see first, it's there what? Sine, right? So here 18 degree is there, we have to do 72 degree. How we will do that? You see 90 degree minus, here is 72 degree, 72. So here you can see 90 minus 72 is 18. So instead of 18 we have written 90 minus 72. So why I have written, you will know now. Next, divided by, here what it is given, cos 72 degree, cos 72 degree. Okay, so sin 90 minus theta. So in first class we have learnt that sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So here cos theta is 72 degree, means cos 72 degree divided by cos 72 degree. So they will cancel each other and it will come 1. Okay, next move to next question. Same, here you see tan 26 degree divided by cot 64 degree. So here 26 degree and 64 degree are different. We have to do same as we have done in this. So tan 90 degree minus 64 degree. So first you have to see whether 90 minus that angle, that degree is coming this or not. So here you check, 90 minus 64 is 26, right? So instead of 26 degree we have written 90 minus 64 degree. Next, divided by cot 64 degree, right? So we already know tan 90 degree minus theta is cot theta. So cot theta is here 64 degree. 64 degree divided by cot 64 degree. So they will also cancel each other and it will become 1. So for these simple questions you can easily simplify like this. So let's move to next. So these are our next type of question. Let's see how we will find it solution. So same, you see, if like this questions you will get. So first of all you will have to check the degrees. Here you see here 48 degrees there, again here 42 degrees there. So we have to we have to make equal degrees. So here you see cos 90 degree minus here 42 degrees there, 42 degree. Here you will check 90 minus 42, 8, 4, 48 came. So instead of 48 we have written 90 minus 42 because we have to do 42 degree. Next, so minus sin 42 degree, okay, so equals to cos 90 minus theta. The formula is sin theta, we know that, sin theta. Here theta is 42 degree minus sin 42 degree. So plus and minus will cancel each other. So it will become 0. Okay. Same. Next question. What it's given? Cosec 31 degree minus sec 59 degree. So cosec, first cosec, then 90 degree minus, here what is there? 59 degree. You check once, 10, 9, 1, 8, 5, 3. So 31 degree came. So instead of 31 degree we have written 90 minus 59 degree because here we need 59 degree minus sec 59 degree equals to cosec 90 minus theta. The formula is sec theta. Sec 59 degree minus sec 59 degree. So plus and minus will cancel. It will become 0. Okay. Like this we can solve. So let's move to next. So here you see, this is our next question. We have to prove tan 48 into tan 23 into tan 42 into tan 67 degree equals to 1. This is another types of question. So how we will prove it? Let's see. So simply I have said you that first of all you have to check the angles. But here you can find different angles are there. Tan angle is same. But here different degrees are there. Here you see 48, here 23, here 42, here 67. Then how we will simplify to those? First you write tan. Okay. So here you see I have said 90 degree minus. Here you see you divide it by 2. Two angles. Okay. Next here you see 48 degrees there. So 90 minus. This is 1. This is 1. This is 2. This is 2. So 1 and 1 they will connect. So what is the degree here? 42. So here you write 42 degree. So 90 minus 42, 10 minus 2, 8, 48 came na. So instead of 48 we have written 90 minus 42. Next, into, here we will go to second part, tan. Here you see 23 degrees there. This is 2, this is 2. So they two will connect each other, right? So what it will happen? 90 degree minus, here 67 is there, 67 degree. 90 minus 67 is 23 degree, no doubt. Again what is there? Tan 42 degree into tan 67 degree. Happened? So instead of 48 we have written 90 minus 42. Instead of 23 we have written 90 minus 67. How we have did? I have written here. Next, you see tan 90 minus theta. Formula is cot theta. Theta is 42 degree. Cot 42 degree into, here also same, tan 90 minus 67. Here theta is 67 degree. So cot 67 degree. Okay, into same, here you see 42 67 already came. Here also you can find 42 67. So we will write tan 42 degree into tan 67 degree. Okay, now you see equals to cot 42 degree. You see this is 42, again 42 is there here. So into tan 42 degree, again into cot 67 degree into tan 67 degree. So what it will become, you see, cot 42 into tan 42. We know already cot theta into tan theta equals to 1. Tan theta and cot theta are the reciprocals of each other. So cot 42 into tan 42 will be 1 into cot 67 into tan 67 is also 1. So 1 into 1 it will become 1. Okay. So answer is 1. So next question is, if tan A equals to cot B, then we have to prove that A plus B equals to 90 degree. How we will do? See here. See here what is given. If tan A equal to cot B, then we have to prove that A plus B equals to 90 degree. So here you see, if A plus B equals to 90 degree, okay, if A plus B equal to 90 degree, then A will be 90 degree minus B, right? So first you have to write, given tan A equals to cot B, okay, tan A equals to cot B. So tan, instead of A, what we have to write? 90 degree minus B. So here 90 degree minus B. So equals to cot B. So over. So here you see tan 90 degree, it's the given part. If tan A equal to cot B, so it's already given tan A equal to cot B. So here you see, instead of A we have written 90 degree minus B. So what is tan 90 minus B? Tan 90 minus theta cot theta, theta means B, equals to cot B. It means the question is given this one. Then we have to prove A plus B equal to 90. Here A plus B is 90. So A equals to 90 minus B, right? So over A plus B equals to 90 degree. So it will become same, A plus B equals to 90 degree. Okay, proved. Next, see here it's given if tan A equal to cot B. First we will check tan A equal to cot B. What it's given, A plus B equal to 90. We have written here A plus B 90. We have found out A value 90 minus B, because here A is there, here B is there. So why we have to bring value of A. So instead of A we have put here 90 degree minus B equals to cot B. So tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Theta means B here. So same came, cot B equals to cot B. So we have proved what question is given. Next is given, then prove that A plus B equal to 90. So from this we got that this is right, that tan A equal to cot B we have proved here. So after that, after bringing this value, you can easily write A plus B equals to 90 degree from this, proved. So let's move to next. So this is our next question. Express the trigonometric ratios sin A, sec A and tan A in terms of cot A. So how we will do? Let's see. So here first of all, what is given? Sin A. Right here, sin A. Next you see, in cot A we have to express these three angles in terms of cot A. Next you see, any relation is there in between sin A and cot A? No. Then you move to reciprocal part. Sin A is the reciprocal of cosec A, right? So we know one formula regarding cosec A and cot A, that is cosec square A equals to 1 plus cot square A, right? So sin A is the reciprocal of cosec A. So 1 by cosec square A equals to 1 divided by 1 plus cot square A. Now you see, we want sin A na, so I have did like this. So 1 by cosec square A is sin square A. To bring sin A, I did like this. Okay. Next equals to 1 by 1 plus cot square A. But here we need sin A. So you do sin A. So sin A will be, square will go this side. So it will become root 1 divided by 1 plus cot square A. So therefore sin A equals to, root over 1 is 1 divided by root 1 plus cot square A. Over. Next move to sec A. So happen sin A in terms of cot A. Next we will move to sec A. So first you see tan A. Why tan A I am saying? You see, sec A, one formula, sec A and tan A are related to each other. The formula is sec square A equals to 1 plus tan square A. We have already learnt in the previous class. So now we have to express these two angles in terms of cot A. So first you see, tan A is the reciprocal of cot A, that means tan A equals to 1 by cot A. So we have expressed tan A in terms of cot A. Okay. So next we have to find sec A now in terms of cot A. So here you see sec square A equals to 1 plus tan square A. So sec square A equals to 1 plus tan A. Here tan A is 1 by cot A. So instead of tan A we will put 1 by cot A. Here you see square is there. So square. Okay. So sec square A equals to 1 plus 1 square is 1 divided by cot A square is cot square A. Okay. So sec square A equals to, LCM will become cot square A. In upside nothing is there, 1. So 1 plus cot square A. That implies, here you see we have to find sec A. Sec square A is there. So sec A equals to 1 plus cot square A divided by cot square A root. That implies sec A equals to root 1 plus cot square A. Here square and root will cancel, so it will become cot A. So sec A equals to root 1 plus cot square A divided by cot A. Okay, like this we can express.